Let's make pork, stuffed with bacon and sauerkraut. We will roll the steaks to create sauerkraut filling. You will need, for pork steaks, 8 slices of streaky bacon, salt and pepper, a little bit of Dijon mustard, a little bit of sauerkraut, 3 shallots, 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds, and potatoes. Peel and slice 3 shallots. Put the sliced shallots into a small oven dish. Add 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds. Add a cup of water. We are using pork shoulder steaks in this video, but you could use other types of pork steaks as well. Use a meat tenderizer to make the steak softer and thinner. This way, it will be very easy to stuff and roll the steaks. Sprinkle each steak with salt and ground pepper. We are using ground mixed peppercorns. Spread a bit of Dijon mustard on the surface. Add 2 rashers of streaky bacon. You can use either smoked or unsmoked bacon. And finally, add a bit of sauerkraut. Roll the pork steak into a neat, tight roll-up. Tuck the ends in, so that the sauerkraut can't fall out. You could tie the roll-up with a cooking string, or secure it with cocktail sticks. Or, simply put it into the oven dish, carefully. Prepare the other pork steaks in the same way. Place the roll-ups into the same oven dish, and preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Roast the roll-ups for about an hour. It's best to turn them upside down, carefully, halfway through. To ensure that the surface is nicely browned, turn them again, towards the end of their roasting time. Serve the roll-ups with boiled potatoes. Spoon a little bit of the basting juice with shallots over the roll-up, or over the potatoes. And this is what the roll-ups look like inside. You can serve the roll-ups whole, or cut into halves, for a nice presentation.